Here we go. The guides must be crazy. Today got, unfortunately, in Botswana, in the Savuti, one of the vehicle's electronic systems didn't work so well after going through some serious water. No fault of the vehicle, it just happens. So my colleagues and friends went to go for help at Savuti itself, I assume. I'm here in the bush, made myself a fire, ironically with a Namibian map in Botswana. I started the fire, so it's the way it is. Just before sunset they left me, and then I started the fire. Took a while because it's all wet around us, but the fire's going tonight. Hyenas have been sniffing around. There was some buffalo earlier on, and tonight we'll see what it brings. Anyway, I'm gonna have a good night tonight, and one of those things, you never know when it's going to happen, and it shows you. You can never be too well prepared for anything, because we had all the luxuries with us on the way. This happened, and here I am, spending the night in the Savuti, my own fire, surrounded by nature. What a pleasure.